I'm gonna take Perfect White from Madame Glam. A very well used bottle, clearly. Going to apply this all over the nail. And I'm doing super thin coats. And I'm gonna come in with a second layer. That way it will even itself out.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin.
Okay, coming in with our green polish, stamping and adding it to the nail, cleaning off. Obviously, this is a quick tutorial, so don't worry. We are doing some French nails, and I wish when I stamped, I just put it on the white for the French. I liked it half and half, but like coming back to it, I do wish I had it on the white. So what I do is I kind of put it down in the center and then come on each side to fill in the French to make it even, and then touch up those like inner corner areas, which I always miss. Here's the half and half, which I wish I filled in, taking that primary paint and adding it to fill in those cloves. You can take that same green. I just had this next to me, so I just figured I would go ahead and use it. Taking that Nail Addict gel polish, and I'm going to polish the entire nail plus the pinky.
I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it.
Taking the white from Maniology, and we're gonna stamp that flourish, cause look at that, obsessed. And then we're gonna come in and not film most of this part and then stamp that white half and half.
So I was looking back at my footage. I did not show this, but this is the top coat I used, and this performed over stamping like a dream, FYI. Obsessed. Like, look at how stinking cute this is. I decided to do this over the white instead of on the clear. I'm 50-50 on that. I feel like obviously it shows up great on the white, but because I wanted the clear and clear to go together, I hope that makes sense. But I'm truly obsessed. And I wanted to do more of like the flourishy patterns, like here, and then I obviously wanted to include some of these. Obviously you can do a ton with these more defined shapes, and I did put one there because I couldn't help myself, even though I was like, I'm gonna stick to just these. I tried, it didn't work, it's fine, you know. But here is the finished product. I will make sure to link everything below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.